Interesting science facts that you probably didn't notice till today. If you have grown up treating science as an overwhelming and complex subject in schools, these cool science facts are surely enough to blow your mind. 1. The majority of Earth's oxygen is produced by oceans. Have you ever thought of where oxygen comes from? Most of us believe that we get oxygen from trees, but you might not know that more than half of the Earth's oxygen that we breathe comes from oceans. Various scientists estimate that 50% to 80% of the Earth's oxygen is produced by the oceans. The majority of this production is from plant-based marine organisms. Oceanic plankton, algae, seaweed, and some bacteria can photosynthesize and produce more than half of the world's oxygen. 2. The human stomach can dissolve razor blades. It may sound horrible, but it is another one of the most amazing facts in science that a human stomach is more capable of dissolving razor blades. Acids are classified on a scale from 0 to 14. Remember, the lower the pH level, the stronger the acid is. And the pH level in the stomach ranges from 1 to 3, which is so strong that it can dissolve a single-edged blade in a few hours of immersion in the stomach acid, as found in a study. So, if you ever swallow a razor blade, you don't need to panic. 3. Bananas are radioactive. The journey of science facts also leads us to one of our favorite fruits, banana, but not in a very delicious way. Have you ever thought that bananas can be an example of a natural radiation source ever while eating them? Probably, you didn't. But it is true. They contain high levels of potassium, wherein a small amount is radioactive. But it doesn't require you to quit your yummy banana smoothie as the content of radiation is extremely small. 4. Animals use Earth's magnetic field to know their location. Yes, among amazing facts in science, sea animals have the ability to sense the magnetic fields of the Earth for their orientation. According to the U.S. Geological Study, there are pieces of evidence showing that some animals, like sea turtles and salmon, can sense the Earth's magnetic fields and use it for navigation. But is the Earth a magnet? Yes. The Earth is composed of layers having different chemical compositions and physical properties. The crust of the Earth has some magnetization, while its core generates its own magnetic field. 5. Helium works against gravity. Till today, did you know that helium doesn't get affected by gravity? If you cool helium just a few degrees lower than its boiling point, i.e. 452 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 269 degrees Celsius, it becomes superfluid, which means it can move without friction. It can rise up and over the sides of a glass. Not only this, but it can also drain through molecule-thin cracks in a container. Among other amazing facts in science, helium is the second most abundant element in the universe. 6. Humans may harbor genes from other species. From now on, we can say that we aren't completely human, at least when it comes to the genetic composition inside our cells. It is another did you know facts that our genome may harbor as many as 145 genes that we inherit from bacteria, other single-celled organisms, and viruses, as per the studies published in the journal Genome Biology. 7. There is no flavor in food without saliva. Last but not least, one of the most amazing facts in science is that we need saliva to taste our food. In order for food to taste, the chemicals from the food must dissolve in saliva. Once the chemicals in the food are dissolved, they can be detected by receptors in our taste buds.